The information matrix can be used for many different purposes on many different tables in Business Central. Let me just show you a few of them to inspire you. For instance, on the customer list, this could also have been on the vendor list. You can go into the information matrix. If it's from the customer list, you will of course see templates that relates to a customer. We could import data maybe based on the standard table. Let's say we want to import on the language code from the customer card being ENU, and we could add the records here, or maybe even another language. If we want to handle several customers here, we could add multiple times. And then depending on the column setup, I've defined a basic customer setup. We could check out the customer addresses, postal code, etc. on the basic setup for the customer. And we could change the matrix to another template that we define. And let's say in our accounting department, they would like to have a template for invoicing field. So this could be currency from the customer card, invoice discount code, or of course even also things from the master data information table. So it's possible to define as many templates as you want. This was an example for customers. You could have the same on vendors. For instance, on items, if you enter the master data information matrix, you might want to import data, which is, for instance, description here, or let's say, for instance, replenishment system. In here, I would like it to be purchase, meaning I would like to look at all my purchase items. And again, I can see all the different columns that I'd like to view in. Let's say I'm a planner. I would like to select the matrix template for planning data, or if you're working with catalogs, you could add columns that relates to catalogs on the master data and so on. So now as a planner, I would like to see for those purchaser my safety stock reorder point and stuff that relates to that. A last example could be in the standard serial number list. If you open the serial number list and you use the master data for serial number or for lot numbers, in our scenario here we have computers, and we use this to handle who we give out the computers to. So you can see the specifications here. It's Simon having this computer, last service date, assigned date, and in the information matrix, if I'm entering that in here, I could, for instance, import based from information. I would like to import all my accessories where the assigned date is filled in, meaning the value is something else than blank. So I have all the serial numbers here with the serial number, that it's allocated, who has those assets here, what is the assets, what date did we assign it, and so on. So in this example here, you can actually use this as a quality control system to add information to your serial numbers or lot numbers. So as you can see, there's quite many purposes using the information matrix for either overviews or for mass updating.